Alright, so I decided to replace the check valve on my air compressor here. This is a $75 Craigslist compressor. It's a 2-cylinder oil sump compressor. It's a good unit, 1 horsepower, 13 gallon, 12 gallon? 12 gallon. Perfect for me. I don't even really have any air tools. In 2018, you almost don't need air tools for basic stuff. I don't have a die grinder. Anyway, so this thing leaks down, right? And not that quickly, but over a period of several hours, it definitely leaks down. So I said, well, I probably need a check valve. So, do you think that looks different? So basically, let's see if I can crank this thing in. Yoink. All right, there's nothing there. This thing's like just terrible. Not a check valve at all. And here's the brand new one. It's got that stuff, and yeah, it's a check valve. Imagine that. So it's pretty funny that it even held air, at all. And so the head must have a its own check valve or something. But this is awesome. So what this means is this thing's finally going to actually hold air, and every time I use it, it doesn't have to start up from 0 psi, which just puts more, wear on the compressor head. Probably leads to more moisture because it's compressing air more frequently. Anyway, this has thread sealant on it. At least it looks like it does. I don't think I need to do Teflon tape. It would really be a shame if that leaked, but I think I'm okay. So I'm going to throw that in there, just like that. And that is a 7/8. Well, the old one was. This one probably is too. Of course it is. So this was a genuine Craftsman part. It was like $25 actually, which is more than I thought, but I think that's reasonable to fix this. I mean, I wish I knew what kind of torque to put on this. It required a breaker bar to loosen. Can probably make it pretty tight. So let's just do that. Does that look a little more? Is that good? Yeah, that's good. It's brass, so I suppose I could easily strip it if I was being an idiot, which I do not want to do. Brass actually sort of self-seals anyway. So I don't know, I guess that's done. Not really sure how tight to make that, but I put it on there. So, and all that's left is this little aluminum pipe gizmo, which is easily reinstalled. I guess I'll do the bottom first. Just start that. I guess actually what I'll probably do is start them both and then tighten it when I'm done. That makes sense, doesn't it? Wow, this really couldn't have been any easier. Well, I guess it could have been a little easier. Somebody could have done it for me. But that didn't happen. Alright, let's tighten that guy up. I'm gonna run this and see if it holds pressure all night. I hope it does. That would be kind of cool. That would be cool. Let's crank this guy down here. Almost. Alright. And then this one needs a little bit of torquening. Yeah. Kind of annoying. This is like the trickiest part, really. And it's not that tricky. There we go. There. Okay. Well, I should be able to fire it up. Let's do that. Well, that's an interesting sound. I guess that's the check valve air moving through. Doesn't seem to be leaking though. I'm an idiot. 20, 30, 40. Yeah. That's gonna work fine. What I'm gonna do is let it go all the way up to 120 or whatever the set point is. Shut it off, make sure that I don't hear any leaks, and then I'll throw this regulator back on, which I don't even really need to do. I don't use it, but whatever. How are we doing now? 65, 70, 85. That's hot, as it should be. Okay. What is that, 115? Alright, so let's see if I hear anything. I actually do hear something. That surprises me. Oh wait. It's diminishing. Okay. So, I guess we're good. I'll let this sit for a few more minutes and see how it goes. Alright, I decided to take the regulator out of the fixture. I got my Teflon tape. I'm just going to thread this guy on here, like so. And I got my handy dandy pipe wrench, which is the correct tool for the job, by the way. And I did put it on the wrong way because I did. Let's see. Tighten, tighten, tighten. And we don't have to kill it. I bet that's just fine. Let's see if it holds pressure. Oh wait, I gotta put the hose on. Alright, let's see if that holds pressure. I think we're good. I do not hear any air leaking out of the head. And with the no regulator on here, that's less restriction. Although I really just inflate tires and blow stuff. Plus, it's less likely to put a moment on that pipe if I'm pulling the hose out long. So I think we're good. I would call this a success, and I would call that well worth it, even for 25 bucks.